Dear students, today we will study about biological association. Let us see what is meant by association. An association is a group of persons joined together for some common purpose. Dictionary of Education defines it as formal group organized for a specialized and specifically stated purpose. The present age is the age of science and technology. The progress and development of society is now closely linked with the progress and development in the field of physical and life sciences. For this, there is a need of inculcation of genuine interest towards the study of sciences, development of scientific attitude, and nurturing the creative and inventive faculties of the students. Further, the knowledge imparted to students in the formal classroom remain limited to the students only. The public remains unaware about the very basic components related to biological concepts. The role of such a platform and means in this direction can effectively be played by biological association in the state. Objectives of biological association. The aims and objectives of biological association are to develop scientific attitude among the students, to create interest in flora and fauna related to one's surrounding, to develop students' interest in participation in practical application of knowledge related to different branches of science, to identify and nurture future biologists of India, to keep students in touch with the recent advances of science, to develop explorative, creative, and inventive faculties. Now, the organization of biological association. The first thing is to draft a constitution of the association. The biology teacher, in consultation with other teachers, should frame details of the constitution under following points. Number 1, name of the association. Number 2, aims of the association. 3, membership. Who will become the member and how is it possible to become a member of the association? Meetings, when to conduct meeting, how to conduct meeting, and where to conduct meeting. Finances, what are the sources of finances and where to use finances. Expelling members, what is the procedure to expel the member. The programs that the association will undertake, activities and projects, office bearers, their terms and duties, any other regulation. Now, the structural organization of the association. Structural organization usually involves the following office bearers. Patron, the education minister having the charge of science education, or a scientist can be opted for the patron. Office bearers. Office bearers of the association should be elected or nominated democratically in the presence of patron or his nominee. President. The functions of the president is to preside over all the meetings of the association, to organize the programs and activities, to help other office bearers and members in performing their duties and assignments. Now, the role of vice president is to provide full cooperation and help to the president, to take over the responsibility of presiding over all the meetings of the association in the absence of the president. Role of secretary is to frame programs of the meetings and keep a proper record of the procedures of the proceedings of the association, to take charge of all the correspondence related with the association activities, to take responsibilities of conducting the programs and activities of the association, to invite outside experts and speakers and attend them properly. Then the role of joint secretary is to provide full cooperation and help to the secretary, to take over the responsibility of conducting the meetings and association activities in the absence of the secretary. Role of treasurer is to collect subscription from the members, to keep proper account of income and expenditure of the association, to prepare budget of the association and present the statement of account when asked for. Press secretary is appointed to keep a record of all activities, achievements and programs of the association, to publicize the activities of the association through writing in the magazines, newspapers and scientific journals. Activities of biological association. Following activities may be undertaken by the association: holding discussions, meetings, declamation and debate, holding biological fairs and exhibitions, arranging excursion and visit to places of scientific interest, rendering school services in health and sanitation, celebrating scientific days, rendering community services in the realm of public interest. So students, Today, we have studied about biological associations, its aims, organization, structural organization, and activities that may be undertaken by the association. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay home.